right, holy cow. We are, I just stopped a little bit east of Boy River, and we've got amazing supercell, one of the best supercells I've ever seen in within an hour of Grand Rapids. We got inflow streaming, low-level inflow clouds just streaming into this thing. I'm not sure if it's tornadic, maybe the low-level flow is a little bit too stable, but we have, wow! This rotation around here, I can't speak very well, but everything's screaming into the updraft base from the east here very quickly, and then zooming around here to the south. Wow, look at this. I can't believe this. This is the best supercell I think I've seen in, well, Cass County, in this area anyway. Wow, look at this shear. This is incredible. The cell is still advancing on my position here. I got it 16 millimeters, and it's moving pretty fast. Look at this inflow just screaming into here. It's taking off. I may have to take shelter in Remer. I can't see into the notch. I wonder if I can stay here safely. Look at this. Holy cow. It doesn't do justice, I guess, to this whole thing, but you can see it's just screaming in here. Inflow is very strong. Okay, I'm by what's known as this is Little Sands Lake, and I'm just northwest of Remer. There's an incredible amount of low-level shear here. It might behoove me to stay here in this location as long as I can, because there could be some rotation in there. We could have a tornado. Tornado.
Thanks for calling. It's kind of pretty much garbled up there. I didn't quite copy what you're saying, but this is 67. I'm maintaining that control.
KV0ZXT here. It's very close to, it's a lot of rotation underneath the cell. Might have had a brief tornado in there. Lots of rotation. I'm going to call the weather service directly from here. I can't get to the repeater. Alright, look in there. Okay, first wide angle view. Now I'm zooming in a little bit. What do you think that is? I'm not sure, but it looks nasty in there. I'm probably gonna have to leave here pretty soon again. Ugh. There is so much rotational motion in there. Oh, there's gotta be a tornado. This has got to be a tornado in here. I can't believe what I'm seeing here. Boy, it's tough to see in there. Big, definitely a tornado.
You know why?
Why?
I didn't bring my camera. This camera ran out of battery.
Shoot.
Oh, yeah,
Nice tornado. I can't believe I'm seeing a tornado at this close to home. My goodness. Look at this thing. Wow.
Oh yeah. most
Yep.
definitely still there.
Tornado.
And I don't have my camera.
Wow.
Wow.
Decent tornado.
Yeah, that's still a good one.
That is a decent tornado.
Are you shooting video, Bob?
Yeah, I'm
Boy,
shooting
that's
video.
Pretty nice focus here too.
Jeez.
Oh man.
I can't believe I'm seeing this. I have to pinch myself. Hello? Am I dreaming? Wake up, Bob, wake up. I hope this doesn't damage anybody.
Well,
It should go north of Hill.
Strong enough. Oh my goodness, look at that motion.
there's almost nobody that lives out here.
Yeah. How close are we going to get? This is going to get close to Hill City.
It's gonna go just north of Hill City, I think.
This is a strong tornado.
It is now.
I actually had my 24 to 70 on. Holy cow.
We're not.
There's the structure.
646.
Yeah, can we go east? Yeah. All right. Okay, here we are in Hill City. Don't know where the tornado would have gone, but maybe in south of the Hill City now. It could be in there, but whoops. There's the cell. Inflow band, and I think the tornado is probably right in there. Probably still in progress the way it looks. Okay, I think the tornado has dissipated. I don't see anything in there anymore. So I'll.
got a new server.
Okay.
Someone you know?
That's, yeah, it's Aaron.